Let's go ahead and get all these bushes and flowers cleaned up and work on this. This is terrible. This was a project that I started, wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with it. Now weeds are overgrown in it. It's a mess. We need to fix it. Okay, so I think that looks better. We'll keep it at that. Trying to get all the little bricks moved. And then we'll get these here moved. Fun. All those bricks are moved, so let's go ahead, move this olive tree here and get some more weed barrier down. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get all this trimmed down, so that's taken care of. So now that we did that, let's go ahead and get more of the weed barrier put down. I think I'm gonna put double of this because it's looks pretty thin to me. So as you can see here, like I said, I'm trying to go ahead and round it over here, and then eventually I'll extend it over to that little concrete area right there. So I doubled it up. We're gonna go ahead, get my olive tree back over here, but I want to kind of get that area a little level where that block's going to be. Okay, so I got that leveled. I'm going to go ahead and get this tapped in here. That way it'll stay in place. This will stay rounded. The olive tree's back in place. We'll go ahead and get the bricks now back. We're getting there. Ooh. Probably need some sand, which I do have to pick up at Lowe's later to kind of level those bricks out. But for now, just to kind of get everything where it belongs, we'll be fine. Okay, progress made. So now I just need to get some more mulch. I have this one bag over here that I think I'm just going to use and just get that put down until I can get all new mulch for this entire bed. And we'll go ahead and get it spread around. Good news is we got this done. And no weeds, double weed barrier, a brick around. Eventually I'll have the brick going this way here. Bad news is my pump in my water feature is done, so I'll have to order another pump. Mystery on that one, but hope y'all have a good day. Hit that subscribe button and follow my gardening journey. Bye.